One of the key projects for Brisbane Airport is the rollout of the electrification of our ground servicing equipment. Part of that involves installing a number of chargers across the airport. We have a number of different ground handlers on the airport in combination with an extensive range of types of equipment. By having a common use facility, we optimise the rollout of infrastructure on the airport, making it the most cost-effective way to deliver a solution.
The common user philosophy is unique to Brisbane Airport that allows multiple user ground handlers and airlines to actually plug into these chargers. These chargers know whose asset it is. They also know how to charge it correctly and safely. Brisbane Airport is unique in the fact that they're taking a holistic approach to sustainability.
Reduced noise pollution, lower operating costs and improved environmental sustainability.
We are enabling our airport community, supporting the future electrification of airside operations at Brisbane Airport. This project is the first in our ongoing commitment to working with our airport partners to assist with their decarbonisation journeys.
It's really great that we're one of the first airports in Australia to roll out a common use facility like this to really benefit the aviation industry.